Still using paper forms, PDFs, or spreadsheets to manage job site reports, inspections, and estimates? Manual and disconnected workflows slow down projects, create compliance risks, and prevent teams from accessing the information they need to stay on schedule and on budget. GoCanvas replaces manual and disconnected processes with digital forms, automating key tasks so you can capture and share everything, from job progress reports and inspections to audits and site reports, all in real time. You can even integrate GoCanvas with Autodesk Construction Cloud and Bluebeam to feed data directly into your project workflows. Manage and share your field documentation seamlessly, all in one place and on any device, for faster approvals and better coordination across internal and external partners. Imagine it ensures GoCanvas fits seamlessly into the way you already work. Book your GoCanvas demo today.